Welcome to Hermes Explained, where we take an in-depth look at the Hermes Mobile Cobot series. Hermes is more than just a cobot. It's a mobile cobot series designed to reimagine how manufacturers handle their operations. Developed by the automation experts at Zeta Group Engineering in Wisconsin, Hermes combines safety, intelligence, and mobility to meet the needs of modern production environments. Hermes isn't a single cobot. It's a versatile mobile cobot series that encompasses a wide range of applications, including palletizing, depalletizing, case packing, and machine tending. Each Hermes solution has a few key features in common. Mobility. Hermes carts can easily be repositioned without fork trucks, allowing easy access and flexible deployment across your facility. Safety. Hermes cobots are equipped with advanced safety features, ensuring safe collaboration with human workers. Robust design. Engineered for durability, Hermes solutions are built to perform reliably in demanding manufacturing environments. Quick installation. From setup to training, Hermes can be fully operational in less than a day, minimizing downtime. Compact footprint. Hermes eliminates the need for bulky fencing or scanners, occupying significantly less space than traditional industrial robots. No matter which Hermes platform is installed, you can expect reliable performance and increased productivity, all backed by Zeta Group Engineering's commitment to quality and innovation. Reimagine your manufacturing floor with a Hermes mobile cobot solution.